Now, maybe you've done something like this. I have a 2-year-old neighbor and love learning. He's learning to talk, and it's fun to start asking questions with him and everything. And every now and then, I might ask a question like this, and I'll ask him, "Now, do you have a brother?" And the child will say, "Well, yeah, I do." Then I'll ask, "Well, what's his name?" And he's going to say, "Andy." I already knew that. And then I'll ask him later, "Well, does Andy have a brother?" And that usually stumps the 2-year-old because his thinking is able to go in one direction, but trying to reverse the direction, that's a little bit more difficult to do. But as we grow older, our intellect grows, we're able to see processes both going and coming back. For example, in this section, we want to look at an idea similar to that. So remember earlier, if I had something like a 5x times a 2x plus a 3, and we were able to multiply that out by using the distribution property, and that produced looks like a 10x squared times a 15x. Well, the question is if we went that way, can we go that way? And the process of going back the other way is called factoring. What we're looking for are factors that are common to both of those terms. So in this particular instance right here, I noticed that both the largest common number that a 10 and 15 share is a 5. The largest x that both of those shares is a 5x. So I can factor out a 5x. And when I take a 5x out of both of those terms, what's left? I'm left with a 2x and a 3. So this idea of coming backwards revolves around our idea of learning how to find factors, lowest common denominators or lowest common factors, in such a way that we can determine what do we yank out to help do this. So we're going to look at some examples. You ready?